Okay, what's going on, guys? So we're up here on the north side checking out this brand new community by DR Horton. We're in the master plan community of Heartland, and they opened up this single story line called Heartland Groves. This community is going to be one of the gated communities here. The HOA is $77 for the master plan, and since this community is gated, it's an additional $36. They've got 3 single-story floor plans that they offer here, ranging from 1,500 square feet all the way up to 1,825, and they're all under 450,000. So today we're going to check out the 1825 model. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. So let's go and check it out. Hey, what's up, guys? So if you're new to my channel and enjoy these walkthroughs or are looking for more information about real estate here in Las Vegas, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button, which really helps out my channel a lot, but also notifies you when I come out with new videos. All right, guys, let's continue with the video. All right, so let's check this house out. So again, we're working with a single-story house here. Again, this community is all single stories, 3 models. You're gonna have the pavers on your driveway as a standard. And right here, obviously, you're gonna have a 2-car garage. And again, this is a gated community, guys. So there's an additional HOA. It's $36 on top of the master plan. And it's 4 beds, 2.5 bath. You got this hallway that leads to the main living area. And directly to our left here is gonna be the first 2 beds. So the nice thing about this house so far is you are going to get the 9-foot ceilings as a standard. And really with DR Horton, everything is already fully spec'd out, meaning all your options are selected. Definitely minimizes all the stress of what option should I pick, how much are the options going to cost me on top of the base price. The price that they're advertising is the price out the door. So really makes it nice and simple when you're shopping for a house. So bedroom, both bedrooms right here, pretty standard size. It's about 11 by 10. You've got your full bath here with a tub shower. I do like how they have a window in the bathroom. Gives it some natural light there. Okay, so let's make our way this way. So the nice thing about it is they have it modeled with the luxury vinyl planks on the floor, which if you don't know, luxury vinyl planks is probably the best way to go with any of the homes that you're gonna buy. They're very durable, last forever, water resistant. So checking out the kitchen now. We've got this island right here, really nice. Got 3 large stools there, so you can definitely sit 3 people comfortably there. We've got some cabinetry here in the gray color. Check if it's soft close, which it isn't. We got your stove. You got your microwave right here, making sure it vents out. Now, the only thing that I don't like about DR Horton when it comes to the kitchen and cabinetry is they will give you the standard size cabinets, meaning right now they have it modeled with the 30-inch cabinets. That's why you have that gap from the ceiling and on top of the cabinets right there. I'm not a huge fan. I do prefer it being flush or a lot bigger and being able to upgrade to 42 or 46 inch cabinetry. The also good thing about this builder is they will include the fridge. So it's kind of nice. Again, you got the stove, microwave, fridge, dishwasher. So right now we're in the dining area. They got a huge table right here. So this house actually so far feels really nice. Really feels really spacious, a lot of room. Give you a view from this corner right here. Actually, I didn't get a chance to open up this pantry, see what we're working with here. Okay, really good sized pantry. I do like how they didn't use the wire shelves like some builders do. I'm not a huge fan of that. And looks like down that way is the 3rd bedroom. This is All right, got a linen closet over here. You got your laundry room here. Washer and dryer is also going to be included. And like I mentioned before, a lot of the new builders, they kind of include this smart panel box, which is going to house your router, all your Cat 6 cables, your modem, which is kind of nice. Check out the third bedroom. Very nice. Cool. I like walking through these new homes. Gives me some ideas for my own home, and I'm sure it'll give you an idea or better perspective of how to design yours. So here's the main living room. You've got a nice big sectional couch over here. You've got one window right here looking into the backyard. Now, you'll see how they have the LED lighting up here right above. Now, very common, you may want to consider replacing that with a ceiling fan. Now, the downfall is sometimes the J boxes for these does not support a ceiling fan. So if you are going to hire an electrician, make sure that can support a ceiling fan if you're going to switch it out. So we're here in the primary bedroom. Huge primary bedroom. So this is towards the back of the house. So we've got a window right there. Huge king size bed. It's really good size. There's only a lamp on right now, and it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and we've got another window there. So it's really bright in here. A lot of natural light coming into this room. And here's the primary bath. Now, the one thing that is very common, I get asked a lot, is why aren't the bathrooms enclosed? Why does it not have a door? I wish I could tell you, but that is a very common design right here in Las Vegas. The cool thing is what I've seen is some people will actually customize and maybe add their own door or enclosure, or maybe even like a sliding barn style door. All right, so we got dual sinks here. Got 3 drawers here. You've got your walk-in shower right there. The good thing is the toilet has a door, so I know with some other builders that would be an upgrade to have that enclosed. Super weird. Okay, so we've got a really huge walk-in closet. Yeah, this is a really good size. Tons of space, tons of storage space. Since we've got the 9-foot ceilings, you may be even able to add another shelf there to, maximize all this space you're gonna have here. So again, we're here at Heartland Grove by DR Horton, and this line is, or this community I would say, is all single stories. They've got 3 models to choose from. The 2 smaller models are obviously going to be 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and we're in the larger one, which is a 4-bedroom house. All right, so let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought about this house, if it's something that you would purchase yourself, or is it a single story not the type of house you're looking for? Maybe it's a 2-story house. Anyways, if you're looking for a home here, and if it's a new construction or resale, I'll have all my information down below. Feel free to give me a call, text, email, whatever's convenient for you. I want to connect with you, and let's go house shopping. All right, guys, see you on the next one.